There are many myths about meditation that may be getting in the way of you learning about meditation. Myth 1. You can't meditate if it is noisy. You might think you need a really quiet place to practice meditation, but in fact, once you have been taught to meditate properly, you can do it in the noisiest place you can find. Kids screaming, jackhammers going, it won't matter. Myth 2. You have to be in isolation in a peaceful environment. This is another common misconception. You will be able to do this meditation just about anywhere. If you're able to sit still for a few minutes, then you will be able to meditate on a busy train, a noisy park, or even at a chaotic festival. Myth 3. You have to be spiritual. You don't have to become a hermit or a hippie to practice this meditation and reap its benefits. This meditation is for everyone and anyone. Myth 4. You have to become religious. This meditation is free of dogma and does not require you to follow a set of beliefs. But if you do have a faith, you can still practice this meditation without it infringing on your beliefs. Myth 5. Meditation is difficult. This meditation is actually enjoyable and easy to learn and practice. In fact, effortlessness is the key to its effectiveness, and most people report benefits right from the start. This simple technique has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety, reduce blood pressure, and a greater sense of clarity and productivity, lower risk of heart attack or stroke, improved sleep, greater sense of calmness throughout the day, improved brain function and memory, provides deep rest known as restful alertness, provides profound silence and the inner peace that is within everyone. Contact Adam for more information.